Dabba dabba the conversation, dabba dabba the conversation, ma. Oh, so guys, what should we do today? I don't know, but I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. I need to go just get some work. I wonder where Mangle's going. I don't know. Let's go. Time to get back to work. I'll fix you eventually, old friend. I wonder what Mangle's doing. Hey, Mangle, what are you? No way. He survived? Well, kind of. He's broken. Why don't we go showing everyone else? I guess we can, since, I guess everyone else deserves to know too. Alright, just grab him. Okay. Mangle! Oh, crap. Guys, well, besides Toy Freddy, Toy Bonnie, and Toy Chica, Shadow Freddy, and the puppet, we have someone that we would like you all to meet. Besides the names we just said, Balloon Boy. No way. He survived? What? He survived? Oh my god. He survived? Well, kind of. He's broken. That's why we brought him here, so we could fix him. So, yeah. Okay, let's get to fixing. Boom, boom, boom. One fixing montage later. Okay, he should be working. Alright, let's see if it worked. Sit down, puppet. Okay. Hello, What? What happened? Maybe he... Get over. Maybe he ran out of batteries. No, it's stupid. Yeah, it's stupid. No. It's gonna work. Just watch it. So flip him over. No, take the batteries and choke. There, that should work. Bonnie, that doesn't mean it's gonna work. Oh, it will. You just watch. Bonnie, that is not gonna work. No way. Where am I? What is this place? Oh my god, Balloon Boy. You have been broken for the past, 30 years, and we fix you. Really? Yeah. Wow. That's cool. Okay. Welcome. Welcome home. Where am I supposed to sit? Oh, here. We'll open 2 spots here. Come on, Cupcake. Hold on. Let me get on you, Cupcake. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Let's go, Cupcake. Okay. Here, Cupcake, stay there, and I'll sit there, and then, well, you can stay there. Okay. Hey, put your signs on my face. Oh, sorry, Shadow Freddy. That's okay. Yeah, we had a great day today. We made a new friend. Toy Chica was generous and opened up a spot for him. Cupcake. Yeah, we had a great day today. We had a great day. Spend time together in a super way. We had a great day in a super way. Spend time together in a super way. We had a great day. Wait, guys, let's sing the song anymore. We're gonna get copyright. God dang it.